Okay, so what do we have today? Today we've got 3 really popular locks in front of me in the UK. So these are deadlocks that are in the UK. Very, very popular. This is a Yale, this is an Era, and this is a Union. And these locks are everywhere. I mean, these are sold in places like B&Q and, you know, some of the sheds. So, you know, that's why there's a lot of these around. These are just quite popular with tradesmen that use them. And you find these locks just about everywhere. So a really, really, you know, popular lock. So when we come up against these, how do we get round them? Now, there are a few options. Obviously, we can pick them by hand with a curtain pick, and that's, you know, fully doable. But there's a company in the UK called GJ Locks, and GJ Locks makes a few different systems. Now, I've already shown a couple of the systems he's done. His original system, then he done a Mark II version of it, and this is his new pin and cam version. So the first 2 versions do the job for me. They open the lock simply enough, no problem. But you know, now he's moved more towards this pin and cam system, which is you know, a little bit more tricky to do. You need a little bit more practice, but once you understand how to work the tool and use the tool, you can open these locks fairly quickly, and it's a very simple procedure. There's not so much messing around. We're not messing around with charts and wires and bits and pieces. So what do you get in the kit? So when you open the kit up, this is what you're greeted with. You get some like impression keys for the plasticine, you get a blade, you get a little pin picker upper thing, you get a little jig for putting your plasticine on, you got some grease, you got some plasticine, and then you got the main body of the tool. This is the main tool, and you get a set of pins to go with it as well. Now, I've done some markings on my case to remind me where bits and pieces go. I'll put that back in a minute. Where all these bits, how to set the tool up when I go to use it, because you know, I may not pull this out of the box for a few weeks or a couple of months, and you know, these pin and cams all have slightly different ways of working, so I like to leave myself some little notes on the lid, so when I go to pick it up, you know, I know exactly what I'm doing straight away. I just read a couple of notes and it refreshes my memory. This will take practice to use. This is not put it out of the box, do something quickly, and then you know, you open it in seconds. But once you are using the tool and you do know how to use it, it doesn't take that long to open locks on the tool. As with all my other videos, I'm not going to demonstrate how the physical tool works. There's no need for me to do that. There's plenty of instructional videos, and it, you know, I just don't, you know, I don't think that's right for me to, you know, demonstrate the physical tool working. But I have set I have preset it up as well. I mean, again, if I'm doing a structural video, I'm bound to know the bit of the key, and it seemed a bit pointless to me. So, but what I have done is, obviously, this is a lock. Here's the original key. And then within a few simple steps, you can make yourself a key up like this, and then once you put it in, it opens and locks the lock just like a normal key. So if you're a warrant kind of locksmith and you have to open the door and relock it again, very simple. And if you're just a trading locksmith like I am, and someone's lost their keys or there's a problem, they've broken a key or something, you know, we can make a key up quite quickly and open the lock. And as I say, they're techniques to work out what that should be, which all comes with a kit. So if you're a qualified locksmith, you can purchase one of these and you know, the videos to go with it to show you exactly how it works. I'm just going to recommend this tool. I think this tool's a lovely tool. It works very well. I like the pin and cam systems anyway, and this does exactly what it says. It will open up those variety of locks I've showed you very quickly once you've had some training and got used to using the tool. Hope you like it. Cheers.